Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. We're going to talk about bonds. We're going to talk about some different types of bonds. We're talking about a cash bond, property bond, an OR bond, which is now an unsecured judicial release, kind of what those things are. So an own recognizance bond, an OR bond, also called an unsecured judicial release, those are when a judge allows you to be bond out of jail on your own signature, right? It can be in the value of $0 or it could have a number associated with it. The number would mean if the judge gave you a $5,000 OR bond, if you can sign yourself out of jail, but if you don't show up, you're going to be subject to a forfeiture of $5,000. A property bond is where someone posts property as security to ensure that you come to court. Oftentimes, the sheriff will determine that the property has to be worth 2 or 3 times whatever the bond amount is in order to accept that. Cash bond is exactly what it sounds like, where you just post cash. You have a $2,000 bond. You take $2,000 plus whatever fees it may be, $20 or so to the jail, and they accept your money and they let you out. When the case is, the benefit to a cash bond is like a property bond. When the case is over, you can take the disposition up to the jail and you can get your money back. You're just given a free loan to the sheriff's office. The traditional way is through a professional bondsman. If your bond is $10,000 and you hire a professional bondsman, you should expect to pay that bondsman about $1,500 or 15% of the bond. They then post your bond and get you out of jail. They ensure that you come back to court because they don't want to lose their money. The difference between a professional bond and a cash bond, however, is that in a professional bond situation, you are out that $1,500 no matter what. That's how the bondsmen make their money. Whereas on a cash bond, you can go and get the rest of your money back at the very end.